Let's talk about vertical and horizontal flips in exponential and log functions. So starting with our y equals 3 to the x, let's draw that. And now let's consider y equals negative 3 to the x. I don't mean like the quantity negative 3 to the x, I mean negative of the quantity 3 to the x. So we're always going to be negative. So this just takes the y value and makes it negative at every point. So now instead of going to 1 here, it's going to negative 1. Instead of going to like whatever this is, like 9 or something, then it's going to go to negative 9. So this is just reflecting over the x-axis. Now, if you do y equals 3 to the negative x, then it's kind of similar, but you're reflecting over the y-axis. So before you were reflecting over the x-axis, now you're reflecting over the y-axis. So now, when you plug in a 1, you're actually getting 3 to the negative 1, which goes down like this. Similar thing with logs. So y equals log 3 of x looks like that. Y equals negative log 3 of x looks like that, reflecting over the x-axis. And then y equals log 3 of negative x looks like reflecting over the y-axis, so like this. Just for fun, why don't we do an example with both of them? How about y equals negative 3 to the negative x? So that's, you can think of it as you're taking negative 3 to the x and then flipping it over the y-axis like this. Or, so you're going from here to here. Or you can think of it as taking this blue 3 to the negative x and then flipping it over the x-axis, and then you get this. It's either way you get the same shape. So for logs, then you can either think about flipping this thing over like that, or you can think about flipping the blue thing over like that. Either way, you get the same shape.